comic goldfish.
It's round 3 and time for a stumble down the dark side as we take a look at Guinness and other nitrogen foaming beers.
Whoa!
Now we all know that Guinness forms a unique creamy head, and even if we don't like it, we can at least appreciate it. But there's some weird bubbly science going on before we even get to that stage. It's not the bubbles that rise, it's the ones that fall. Bubbles form in beer when enough molecules of gas lock together to form a surface that forces back surrounding liquid. As it turns out, nitrogen gas molecules are less easily dissolved in water than carbon dioxide, and can do this with fewer molecules. The upshot is that nitrogen bubbles can be around 8 times smaller than carbon dioxide bubbles, at just 0.05 of a millimetre. When a Guinness is poured, thousands of these minute bubbles are formed, rising up and dragging the liquid with them. Away from the sides of the glass that drag on the beer, the bubbles in the centre rise quickly and easily. Even though the liquid rises, your beer doesn't just leap out of the glass. Liquid from the edges rushes down to fill the space left by the rising central column. The grand effect is that the whole beer circulates between the centre and the edges. This is what makes bubbles appear to fall near the surface. Small bubbles rise more slowly than big ones, and nitrogen bubbles are so small that they get dragged down by the liquid that's circulating towards the edge of the pint, and that's what causes that characteristic waterfall effect of bubbles at the edge of the glass. Not only is it a beautiful sight, but it ends up with that gorgeous creamy head that we've all come to know and love. But more about that later, as I bravely sample more beer for our cause.